Hey everyone, it's Miss Garcia. I just wanted to do a quick video to provide a walkthrough on how you should set up your summary of findings and your determination of credibility. So first things first, you are going to need your source notes. Here are my source notes. I do have 6 because, as I always tell you, I never ask you to do anything that I wouldn't do. So again, I was researching the conspiracy theory that Adolf Hitler survived World War II and that he was living in Argentina somewhere after the war. So I have my 6 sources here completely filled out. And so what I did was I went ahead and created a new Word document. Of course, it's MLA formatted. So here is my header. Here's my heading. It's double spaced. It's all in Times New Roman. Now, as you can see, there is color to mine, but yours will strictly be in black. I just wanted to put the color in there so that you would see that I have included information from all 6 of my sources, which is a requirement for the summary of findings. So your title will be the conspiracy theory, summary of findings, and then you'll indent it. And it's just one paragraph. You don't have to break it up into several. And as you can see, I have all 6 of my sources here in different colors. Again, yours will be in black. I have 3 direct quotes and 3 paraphrases, which is the requirements for your summary of findings. And then I kind of closed it out. And so again, just one big paragraph. It doesn't have to be too long. The only reason mine looks really long is I had really long direct quotes, and I tend to be a writer. So yours does not have to be this long. And some of you may have longer ones. Then once I'm done with that paragraph, I'm going to hit enter and center. And put conspiracy theory, determination of credibility. And this can be super short, guys. I just need to know if you feel that your conspiracy theory was credible. I did not find my conspiracy theory to be credible. So I wrote, after considering the findings, I do not think the conspiracy theory that Hitler lived after World War II has any credibility. The reason I believe this is that historians have looked into this matter and they believe the theory to be ridiculous. That is a paraphrase from my source from Thorpe. That's why it is highlighted. You do not have to highlight yours. And then I went on to say, I also feel that the evidence found by the French researchers is valid and credible, which means that Hitler must have died at the end of the war. I feel as Atkins does and hopes that perhaps now we can finally lay the 20th century's most reviled dictator to rest for good. So as you can see, that's a direct quote. So I have a paraphrase and a direct quote. You do need to support your stance on credibility, and I just ask that it's two things of evidence from your sources. Again, that's super short. Once you do that, you are done with this part. This is the summative part, so please make sure you are following the requirements. And again, you'll find the requirements in your Schoology under assignment 3. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, just rely heavily on your source notes. You know, you created those direct quotes for a reason. Use them, paraphrase, and, just best of luck.